Hi guys, I'm Prav here. So actually, today I'm facing a couple of issues in my Hostinger mailbox. So I did some research and I found some information and the update. So I thought, okay, if I can share with you guys, so might if you guys are facing the same issue, so you might get the idea what you can going to do. Okay, so let's I'm going to open my webmail, Hostinger webmail, and you can see the connection to storage server failed. So this is the issue I'm facing till today, from today. So I talked with the Hostinger chat support, and they give me the Hostinger status um, status website, and if I go there, and you can see there is a Hostinger mail and degraded performance. So this issue are happening with a lot of users. So you guys cannot do anything, and you guys cannot worry about it. You can Is there no need to you can do anything to change in your Hostinger or the anywhere. You can just wait, and you can I can provide this website URL, status page, Hostinger status page. So there you can track the when this issue will going to resolve. Okay, so their team are the consistently working on this. So if you can see this is October 7 2025 14:31 UTC. So they might made some changes. No emails or data will be lost. So you guys do not worry about it. This is server issue from the Hostinger side. So their team are working on this. So what you can do, you can just wait and see the stay connected with this page, so that you can track the live update. So when they fix, then this message would be going to change is the operational. Okay, so this is a normal update, and I thought so I can want to share with you guys. So okay, bye bye and take care.